eThekwini Mayor Zandile Gumede and 21 co-accused are expected back at the Durban High Court today. They're facing charges of fraud, corruption, money laundering and racketeering related to an irregular Durban Solid Waste tender. At the last appearance, the defense requested further particulars from the state in preparation for the trial. The indictment lists Gumede as a key figure in the case. Our reporter Simphiwe Makhanya is covering this story and joins us now live. A very good morning to you, Simphiwe. What can we expect from court today?
Good morning, Desiree. Good morning to the viewers as well at home. Well, this morning, Desiree, we are expecting the former eThekwini mayor and newly elected ANC regional chairperson here in eThekwini, that's Zandile Gumede, together with her 21 co-accused to present themselves here at the Durban High Court. You'd recall that during their previous court appearance, the defendants in this particular matter of the Durban Solid Waste corruption, tender, which was alleged to be, riddled with corruption. They basically asked the state to provide them with further particulars relating to this particular matter, and the court at the time decided to postpone the matter to allow for the process, to commence in earnest. But of course, we do know that from the previous court appearance as well, the judge in this particular matter said that the court case itself will be held at the Pietermaritzburg High Court in July, which is going to be, now deliberating fully on this matter. You do know, of course, that Desiree, that ever since former Mayor Zandile Gumede has been presenting herself here at the Durban High Court, there has been a lot of support shown by those who come from the African National Congress, especially from the eThekwini region, coming to support her as she presents herself. But this morning we have not seen many of those supporters gathering outside the High Court. I'm going to step out of the shot once just to give our viewers a sense of what is currently happening. Not much movement in terms of the people that are expected to be presenting themselves here. We have not seen the former mayor herself arriving, and we are expecting proceedings to commence at about 9 a.m. this morning. But of course, Desiree, we do know that former eThekwini Mayor Zandile Gumede has just been elected as the chairperson of the ANC's biggest region, which is eThekwini, which of course, has got a lot of political ramifications when you look at the charges that she's facing. Of course, the issue of step aside comes into the fore when you talk about her. When she was elected in that conference, she had to immediately, step aside from party activities due to the nature of the charges that she's currently facing. But of course, she has been, vehemently saying that she's innocent, and she believes that these charges that she's facing are as a result of the political ploy, that she says, that she alleges rather, is being hashed somewhere in order to prevent her from, ascending to any political office. But of course, we are expecting her to present herself this morning, and we'll hear from the court if in fact the state was able to finish the defense in this particular matter with those further particulars that were requested by the defendants in this particular matter before this court case was adjourned from the previous court appearance. But in terms of what is happening now, no one has been seen in terms of those accused arriving here at the Durban High Court. But of course, we'll continue to be here to monitor proceedings as they unfold, Desiree.
And we'll continue to follow events as well. Thank you so much for that update, Simphiwe Makhanya, there in that